Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Stolas. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's start in the center and let's draw a curve up on both sides. And then let's curve it down, meeting at a point in the center. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with two curves up and out. And then a wavy line underneath to close off each eye. And now let's thicken up the outline of the eyes. And then underneath each eye, let's draw a V-shaped point down and back up. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with an upside down V in the center. And then curve it up on both sides. And then another longer curve up. And then let's curve it down towards the center. Next, inside the mouth, let's draw a curve at the bottom for the tongue. And then color the rest of the mouth in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's move up and let's draw the hat. Let's start on top of the head and let's draw an angle out and curve it up. And the same on the right side. And then curve it back in at the ends. Now let's draw another curve going up. And then a wavy line back down towards the center. Now inside both sides, let's draw another curve. And a wavy line underneath to close it off. Next, for the top hat, let's draw two angled lines up. And then a curve across the top. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the pattern. Let's draw two curves up in the center, meeting at a point. And then a curved V-shape on both sides. And then another set of shorter ones. Now at the end of each of the points, let's draw a small circle. And that's it for the hat. Now let's move down and let's draw the collar. Let's start next to the head around the mouth level and let's draw a curve going out. And the same on the right side. And then let's curve it down and in, leaving a gap. Now let's draw a set of curves down inside. Bring it up. And then two curves down, meeting at a point. Next, before we finish drawing the collar, let's move up and let's draw the sides of the head. Let's draw a curve down and in. Then let's curve it out. And then curve it back down towards the collar. Now on both sides, let's add another curved V shape on top here. And then another one below. And that's it for the head. Now let's move back down and finish drawing the collar. Underneath, let's draw 2 circles. And then add 2 curves in between. Now let's draw a curved point underneath each of the circles. Another one going down. And then curves down, meeting at a point in the center. Now let's hop out and let's draw the top of the cape. From the sides of the circle, let's draw a curve out and in. And then one more bump. And then let's curve it out on both sides. Now top to the center and let's draw curved points going out. And then a larger one. Angle it back down. And bring it across to the ends. Lastly, let's add the pattern on the cape. Let's start in the collar area and let's draw a bunch of zigzag lines like this. And the same thing on the bottom sections. And that's it for Stolas. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!